Good evening, all of you.
Good evening, sir.
Do you have MCQ PDF? Surface chemistry. Hello. Hello.
So let me check. So I don't have any PDF.
Do you have? Start direct
Surface
text.
chemistry.
Machine. Banu.
Sir did not send, sir. We don't have.
Okay, that's it. Okay, just take the comment. Sorry. Hello guys. You got PDF?
Yes, sir.
Okay, read the first question.
Yes, sir.
Read first question.
Which of the following is an example of adsorption? A. Water on silica gel. B. Water on calcium chloride. C. Hydrogen on phenyl divided nickel. D. Oxygen on metal surface.
So what is correct answer? First one.
Water on calcium chloride.
Water on. Which of the following is an example of absorption? AB. Yes, correct. Water, calcium chloride. Calcium chloride absorbs the water. Remaining substances adsorbs the water. Okay. Next question to Anjali.
Which of the following phenomena is applicable to the process shown in figure?
Okay.
So what's
So-
the first answer, sir? I didn't hear.
B. B. First one. Water on calcium chloride. Okay. Second one. Which of the following phenomena is applicable to the process shown in the figure? Okay. Solution of raw sugar. We are pouring into that column of animal charcoal, and a colorless solution of sugar is coming out. So, which process involves during that process? Choose correct option. Adsorption. AD. B is correct. Next, Babu.
Yes, sir.
Now, read third question.
The substance that gets adsorbed on the surface of solid is called
Hmm.
adsorbate.
So what's the second answer, sir? I'm not able to hear.
Second also B. Third one. What is correct answer?
A.
The substance that get adsorbed on the surface of solid is called adsorbate. Correct. A. Okay. Next question to Chirag. Yes,
So which
read
of the
Chirag.
following is not favorable condition for physical adsorption?
Tell me correct answer. Which is not favorable for physical adsorption?
High temperature.
D is correct. High temperature. High temperature is favorable for KD absorption, not for physical absorption. Okay. Next question to Harsh.
Extent of physioabsorption of a gas increases with. So the answer is, sir, decrease in temperature.
Very good. With decrease in temperature, physio absorption increases. So option is B. Next question to Kavya. Read question number 6.
Yes, sir. Which of the following is absorbed greatly by activated charcoal?
What is correct answer? So here I will give you order is first water vapor is easily absorbed, then sulfur dioxide. Because water is only simply condensed very fastly, that's all. Then sulfur dioxide, then carbon dioxide, least is nitrogen dioxide. So option is here is option is D. So side note of this one. Order. Okay, next question to Kushi.
Which of the following statement is correct about the Langmuir's adsorption isotherm?
Okay. I think I didn't give you Langmuir adsorption isotherms. I gave only Freundlich absorption isotherms. Okay. So here, Freundlich absorption isotherms are saying about the physical absorption. It is related to multi-layer. Langmuir absorption isotherms are related to chemi absorption, only single layer. In chemi absorption, only one layer of molecules are absorbed, only one layer. But in case of PC absorption, multi-layer. Because here, weak van der Waals forces are involved, so multi-layer.
Sir, so it will be monolayer, sir.
Yeah, answer is monolayer. Which of the following statement is correct about Langmuir's adsorption isotherms? It forms a monolayer. Yes, A is correct. Okay. Next question to Likita. Likita. Krisha. Rachna. Yeah. Read question number 8. Yeah. Question number 8. Okay, I think we have some signal problem. Read Tejaswini.
Which of the following is less than 0 during adsorption?
Which of the following is less than 0 during adsorption? What is correct answer?
Option D, sir.
Option D, yes. All are below 0 and all are negative values. D. Okay. Sharad?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Read question number 9.
At equilibrium position, in the process of adsorption,
Oh, equilibrium position. Okay. The process is spontaneous, delta G less than 0. That means nothing but negative value. If non-spontaneous process, delta G less than 0. This is less than 0, this is greater than 0. If delta G is equal to 0, that is equilibrium. So this is only possible if delta G is equal to delta H minus T into delta S. So suppose delta H is equal to T into delta S. This value is equal to this value. Then this minus this 0. So you can get delta G equal to 0 equilibrium. So at the equilibrium position in the in the process of adsorption, ninth one, B is correct. Delta H is equal to delta Ts. Then delta G becomes 0. That's equilibrium. Okay. Next question to Sanjit.
Yes, sir.
Read question number 10.
Indicate the correct statement.
Okay. Option A is in chemi absorption.
In chemisorption, there is no disruption of bonding in an absorbed molecule. The rate of decomposition of the substance absorbed on a surface depends on the surface coverage. In heterogeneous catalytic reaction, no surface reaction occurs. increase in surface area of catalyst reduces the surface phase reaction. Sir, B is correct, sir.
Very good. B is correct. The rate of decomposition of the substance absorbed on the surface depends on surface coverage. Correct. It depends upon surface area. Nothing but. So 10th one, B is. Next question to again, Anirudh.
Extent of absorption of adsorbate from solution phase increases with increase in adsorbate solution. So in of adsorbate in solution.
Extent of absorption of adsorbate from solution phase increases with. So in gaseous phase, X by M we are writing directly proportional to P, right? This one equal to K, P power 1 by M. In solution phase, X by M is equal to K into C power 1 by M we are writing. So C is here concentration, D is here pressure.
The decrease in amount of adsorbate in solution.
Increase in amount of adsorbate in solution. Option A is correct. A is correct. So in solution,
yes, sir.
Higher amount of solute is present, then absorption also increases. A is correct. Okay, next question to Anjali.
Which is correct in the case of van der Waals adsorption? Sir, option B.
Low temperature hyper, yes. Van der Waals absorption, that's what physical absorption. Physical absorption is favorable at high pressure and low temperature. Correct. B, 12th one. Next, 13th question. Ball.
Sir, adsorption is accompanied by delta S of system is negative, sir.
Delta S of system is negative, okay, correct.
Decrease in enthalpy of system is also correct.
That is also correct. So the enthalpy also negative, correct.
T delta S for the process is negative.
Yeah. Yes, no. If delta S is negative means T into delta S value, we don't include this one. Only T into delta S value becomes negative one. Correct.
Yes, all of the above.
Yeah, all of the above. D is correct. Yes. Next question to Harsh.
Which of the following statements is incorrect? Physical absorption occurs at a very low temperature, and chemi-absorption occur at all temperature. Second option: the magnitude of chemi-absorption decreases with rise in temperature, and physiabsorption increases with rise in temperature. Third option: chemi-absorption is irreversible, and physiabsorption is reversible. Last option: in physiabsorption, the activation energy of the physiabsorption is very low, and in chemi-absorption, the activation energy of desorption is very high.
So, which of the following statement is incorrect? Option B is that option B. The magnitude of chemi-absorption decreases with rise in temperature. Actually, the magnitude of chemi-absorption increases with rise in temperature. And physiabsorption increases with rise in temperature. No. Physiabsorption generally with rise in temperature decreases. So option B is only incorrect statement. So 14th, B is correct. Next question to Chirag.
Sir, what will be the Friendly absorption isotherm equation at high pressure? Option A, x by m is equal to k. Option B, x by m is equal to kp to the power 1 by n. Option C, x by m is equal to kp. D, none of these.
Okay. So here talking about high pressure. Already we discussed about friendly absorption isotherms limitation. generally x by m value with pressure increases. But after some time there is no effect. Saturation we are observing means at high pressure pointless absorption isotherm is unable to explain. So this is only its limitation. So nothing but x by m is equal to k into p power 1 by n. So we are writing only x by m is equal to k. Because here we are getting saturation, there is no effect at high pressure. At high pressure, there is no change in the absorption of gas on solid phase. We are getting a saturated line. So option A is correct. Next question number 16. Kavya.
Which of the following curves is in accordance with the Freundlich absorption isotherm?
Okay. Which is correct? Freundlich absorption isotherm. Freundlich absorption isotherm equation is x by m is equal to k into p power 1 by m. So take log on both sides. Log x by m is equal log k plus 1 by n log p. So this is like y is equal to mx. This is mx plus y axis is log x by m. X axis we are taking log p. This line. So this is intercept. Intercept is log k, and slope is 1 by m. So which option is correct? Which option is suitable? Option C is correct. C. Next question to Kushi.
Which among the following statements is false? Adsorption may be monolayer or multi-layered. Particle size will not affect the amount of adsorption. Increase of pressure increases the amount of adsorption. Increase of temperature may decrease the amount of adsorption.
Correct option is
B, sir.
B. Particle size of adsorbent will not affect the amount of adsorption effects. Particle size is very small means large amount of substance it absorbs. If particle size is big means less number of molecules absorbs. So B. Next 18. Oh, this is the Langmuir. In Langmuir's model of adsorption of gas on a solid surface, the rate of dissociation of absorbed molecule from the surface does not depend upon the surface covered. The adsorption at a single site on the surface may involve multiple molecules at the same time. No, it won't involve multiple molecules. The mass of a gas strike a given area of surface area is proportional to pressure of the gas. Yeah, the mass of the gas strike a given area of surface is proportional to the pressure of the gas. Option D is the mass of the gas striking a given area of surface is independent of the pressure of the gas. See, it is Freundlich absorption isotherm or Langmuir adsorption isotherm. Those are the amount of gas adsorbed on the surface is directly proportional to pressure only. So we studied physiabsorption and chemi absorption. Both are directly proportional to pressure. No, pressure increases, amount of gas absorption also increases. So only option C is correct here. The mass of gas striking means the gas molecules which are binding to the solid surface proportional to the pressure of the gas. So 18th one is C is correct. Next question to Likita.
Yes, sir.
Read question number 19.
According to Freundlich adsorption isotherm, which of the following is correct? D, sir.
Yeah, D, correct.
All
All
of
of
the
the above
above
are
are
correct
correct.
for different range of pressures. Yes, it depends upon range of pressure. Correct. Correct. So option A is at low pressure, and option B is suitable for moderate pressure. Option C is suitable for very high pressure. Then all of the correct. D is correct. Next question number 20. Very study.
So, which of the following curves do not correspond to adsorption isotherms?
Which of the following is not correspond to absorption isotherm? Carefully observe. First one is correct. With increase of pressure, absorption increases further saturation level. Even second one also with increase of pressure, increasing. Fine. Look at option C. First increasing, further decreasing. So that is not accepted. In absorption isotherms, maybe increases like this, further increasing, or maybe maintain saturation, but not being like this. First increases, further decreases, not observing during the absorption process. Even option D also, starting it's not affected, but further increased. So option C. Next, let's go. 21.
The curve showing the variation of pressure with temperature for a given.
Okay. The curve showing the variation of pressure. Okay, listen. The curve showing the variation of pressure with temperature for a given amount of adsorption is called absorption isobar, absorption isotherms, absorption isosters, absorption isochores. So here, temperature increasing, variation of pressure with temperature for a given amount of absorption.
Sir, will it be D, sir?
D, absorption isochore. Isochore means volume constant.
Yes, sir. They've given temperature and pressure directly proportional, sir. So volume will be constant, I guess.
So here volume not constant. Now with increase of pressure, volume also affecting. So here all are affected. See, isobar means at constant pressure. Isotherm means at constant temperature. Isochore means at constant volume. So here nothing is constant. All are changes. Temperature is changing, pressure is changing. Then volume of gas also affect. Increase of pressure. Initially this is the gas. With increase of pressure, there is some effect on volume also. So all are affecting. So that is comes under isosters. Adsorption, isosters. Okay, next question is Sanjit.
F of
Read question
what is
number
the role of activated charcoal in gas mask used in coal mines? So,
correct option is
adsorption of poisonous gases, sir.
Very good. So B is correct, not A. A is absorption. B, option B is correct. Next question is Sharon. Ritesh. Anirudh.
On the basis of data given below, predict which of the following gases shows least absorption on a definite amount of charcoal.
So which gas is the least adsorbed? It depends upon critical temperature. Already studied in 11th standard. States of matter.
So SO2.
No, SO2 is very high.
It's
SO2 is SO2, carbon dioxide. Those gases easily adsorbed. So those are giving this kind of curves. Carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, but hydrogen and helium only giving this kind of facts. See, those are not coming down. So means we can't liquefy hydrogen gas, helium gas. We can't liquefy very easily. We have to bring the temperature very low means minus 270 degrees centigrade means it's very difficult to take this much low temperature. Maintaining 5 to 10, minus 5, minus 10 is okay, but minus 270 degrees means the lowest, very difficult also maintain. So you see there are hydrogen gas, helium gas, even nitrogen gas, oxygen gas. These are very difficult to liquefy. That's why those are very less absorbed on a metal surfaces. So option D is correct. Here, highly absorbed gas is sulfur dioxide. After carbon dioxide, then methane. Least is hydrogen. Next question to Adil.
Term catalyst was given by.
Who is given term? That is Berzelius. Option B is correct. J.J. Berzelius is given the term catalyst. Next 25 bar.
Catalysis is a phenomenon in which a substance alters the speed of chemical reaction.
Yeah, correct. A substance alters the speed of a chemical reaction. Correct. Yeah. Next, Chirag.
In chemical reaction, catalyst.
In chemical reaction, catalyst.
Sir, option B.
Very good. Option B, lower the activation energy. Next question to Harsh.
A catalyst is finely divided state is more efficient because in this state.
What is correct option? Catalyst in finely divided state, it acts as it having more efficiency. Reason is? What is the answer? Surface area, right? In finely divided state, catalyst having larger surface area. So option C is correct. Next question to Kushi.
The following reaction is an example of negative catalyst.
Which of the following reaction is an example of negative catalyst? Yesterday also I said this.
Sir, is it KCl, 2-KClO3, presence of MnO2?
No. MnO2 is a better catalyst. D, option D is correct. Ethyl alcohol. D. Next question to Nikita.
Sir, what is negative and positive catalysis?
Okay. Generally, catalyst means which increases the rate of reaction. The meaning of catalyst is which increases the rate of reaction. You know, by decreasing the activation energy, it increases the rate of reaction. That is about catalyst, positive catalyst. So this is actual reaction pathway. Actual reaction pathway. Suppose if we use catalyst, this is the reaction pathway. So only less amount of activation energy is sufficient to convert reactant to product. This is by using catalyst. Suppose if we use negative catalyst, opposite. So activation energy is increased. So to convert reactant to product, reactant must have to reach this much higher level of energy. So this is difficult. It takes more time also. Rate of reaction decreases, reaction takes place very slowly. That is about negative catalyst. See one example. During the preparation of ammonia, we are using iron as a catalyst, right? And molybdenum also we are using. Molybdenum is promoter. Actually catalyst is it increases the rate of reaction. By using a promoter, it increases the activity of iron catalyst. So further rate of reaction is increases. This is fine. But during the reaction, there is some amount of carbon monoxide also present. We are taking hydrogen and nitrogen. It's not possible to take 100% pure hydrogen and 100% nitrogen is not possible. Along with this, some impure gases also mixes. Suppose having carbon monoxide, that carbon monoxide is acting as a negative catalyst. Okay, here during this reaction, carbon monoxide acts as negative catalyst. It decreases the rate of a chemical reaction. Reaction takes place very slowly because of negative catalyst. Got it, Bala?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next question to Tejaswini.
Which of the following is a heterogeneous catalysis? Sir, option D.
Option D. Yes, correct. Sulfur dioxide is gas. Oxygen also gas. But vanadium pentoxide, V2O5 is solid. So that is heterogeneous catalysis reaction. Good. Next question number 30. Sure.
By dividing the catalyst into fine powder, there will be increase in
surface area. Option A is correct. Oh, okay, wait up. Surface area increases. Free valencies also increases. Active centers also increases. So all of this. Option D is correct. 30, option D. Next question to Sanjay.
Which of the following processes do not occur at the interface of phases?
Okay. Which of the following process does not occur at the interface of phases? Interface
For homogeneous catalysis.
Very good. Homogeneous catalysis. In homogeneous catalysis, there is no interface, first of all. It is thoroughly mixed. So there is no interface. That is homogeneous catalysis. Option B. Next question to Kavya.
Which of the following acts as a catalyst?
Metal with variable valency, metal with non-variable valency, non-metal with a fixed valency, inert gases. Option A is correct. Metal with variable valency. That's what D block elements, transition metals. They show variable valency. Those only we are mostly using as a catalyst. Iron, cobalt, nickel, there is copper, palladium. Option A. Next, Anil.
According to adsorption theory of catalysis, the speed of reaction increases because
the speed of a chemical reaction is increases because
D.
D, correct. Because of catalyst, adsorption takes place during the catalysis process, activation energy decreases. So rate of reaction increases. D is correct. Next question to Anjali.
Shape selective catalysts are so called because of
33 is option D, sir.
33 option D. Shape selective catalysts are so called because of
So option C.
The size of the pore of catalyst which can trap selective molecules only. Correct. Option C. Next question. Bottom.
Catalyst used in Haber's process is iron and molybdenum.
Oh, correct. Iron and molybdenum powder. Correct. 35B. Molybdenum is their promoter. Next, 36th question. Chirag. Okay, I will tell you this. In contact process of manufacturing of H2SO4, the catalyst used is vanadium pentoxide. So these questions will come in inorganic chemistry 16 group. There we will see about how to prepare H2SO4. Contact process, vanadium pentoxide catalyst. B2O1.
Sir, I had some.
Yes, tell me, Chirag.
Sir, I had some network issues, so that's why I couldn't read.
Okay, fine. Next question. Harsh.
A biological catalyst is an enzyme.
An enzyme, correct. Biological catalyst is enzyme. Next question to Kushi. 38th question. Tejaswini?
Sir, point out the false statement. Answer is A, sir.
The size range of colloidal particle is 10 to, I think he has small mistake, 10 to 1000 angstroms.
Oh.
Let's just change that one. 2000 is not 1000.
Okay, sir.
Next, 39th question. Sharath.
A colloidal system having a solid substance as a dispersed phase and a liquid in dispersion medium is classified as.
So, solid in liquid, correct? Solid in liquid. What is the name of colloid? Solid sol, no chance. Emulsion also no chance. Either gel or sol. Solid in liquid. Choose correct answer. Sol or gel?
Sol.
So, correct. Sol. Okay. Question number 40. Sanchit.
Which of the following is mismatched?
Liquid is emulsion. Solid sol. Liquid in gas, aerosol. Gas.
Sir, gas, solid, and foam, sir.
Gas in solid. Yes. Actually, gas in liquid is foam, but gas in solid is that is something other substance, that is solid aerosol. So option D. That is only mismatch. Next, Rachna. Rachna.
Fog is the colloidal solution of A.
Yeah, correct. Fog is a colloidal solution of liquid particle dispersed in a gas. Correct. 41A.
Option A.
Okay, next question to Kushi.
Which will not form colloidal solution? Sir, option C, DP gas, DM is Also gas, sir.
Okay, dispersion phase also gas, dispersion medium also gas. So gas in gas is not colloid. Gas in gas is a true solution, that is not colloid. That's what we are classified solutions 9 types, but colloids we classified only 8 types. Because gas in gas is not a colloid, it's a true solution, gas in gas. So option C. Next. Under.
Multimolecular colloids are present in the soul of gold.
Soul of gold, correct. Metal source are comes under multimolecular colloids. Correct. C. Next, Anjali.
Which of the following is not the property of hydrophilic soil? Sir, option B.
Hydrophilic. Not a property. Okay. Viscosity and surface tension are equal to that of water. No, see, all viscosity and surface tension never becomes equal now. So, B. Okay, next, 45. Bonu.
The missile have.
That's option D, sir.
No, B. 43. B. Yeah.
Missiles have same colligative property as that of common colloidal solutions. Sir?
No, sir. Same colligative property. Okay.
Sir, that's
common
for
colloidal
44,
solution.
sir. That's for 44, sir. You wrote 43.
Okay, this is 44 is B. 43 is 43.
C, sir.
C, yeah. 45 correct. A is correct. Same colligative property as that of common colloidal solution. Lower colligative property as that of I think B. B is correct. Reason is there here. In case of true solution, number of particles are very small. Small particles. That's what true solutions are showing high magnitude of colligative property. Next, colloids. In colloid, size of particles is somewhat bigger. That's what it having colligative properties lower value. Compared to true solution, have lower value colloids. Missile also comes under colloid only. But missile size is somewhat bigger than normal colloidal particles. Because missiles are formed by aggregation of more number of molecules. That's what compared to normal colloidal particles. This is why this maintains somewhat bigger size. That's what the colligative property becomes reduces. So this having very low colligative property. So option is lower colligative property as that of common colloidal solution. B is correct. Yeah. Next, 46. Harsh.
At high concentration of soap in water, soap behaves as associated colloid.
Very good. At high concentration of soap in solution, it behaves as a associated colloid, means it forms a missile. B. Next, Chirag.
Choose macromolecular colloids among the following.
Macromolecule.
Sir, is it option C, sir?
C, correct. Starch and cellulose, those are biomolecules. Already those maintains colloidal size particles. So C. Next, Tejaswini.
Which graph is correct for critical missile concentration?
Okay, careful, Maya. Which graph is correct for critical missile concentration? What happens at critical missile concentration? At critical missile concentration, missile formation takes place. Okay. Then which graph is correct?
Sir, option B.
Yes, B is correct. So listen, why this? We know soap solution at low concentrations it behaves as a normal electrolyte. So normal electrolyte having high conductivity, we see conductivity. So it conducts large amount of electricity. At high concentration now. High concentration missile formation takes place. Missile formation takes place. So how missile formation takes place? More number of soap molecules aggregates and it forms a missile. Nearly 100 soap molecules giving only one particle. So here number of particles are decreases, conductivity decreases or increases. Number of particles decreases, conductivity must be decreases. That's what this is a high concentration, low concentration. It is a good conductor, but while forming missile, here missile formation takes place. So conductivity must be decreased because more number of ions are combining and forms a one missile. So missile formation, nearly 100 molecules are involved. It gives you only one particle. So conducting capacity decreases. Number of ions decreases, conducting capacity decreases. That's what B graph is correct. Decreases conductivity at this point, C and C. If you visit concentration, missile is found, then it maintains constant conductivity. Next 49. Let's Sharad. Read 49.
Match column 1 with column 2 and select the correct match.
Okay. Rain cloud, milk of magnesia, whipped cream, soap in water. So rain cloud means that what clouds are comes under aerosol. No? Clouds are aerosols. 4. Milk of magnesia is milk of magnesia, solid in liquid. Now milk of magnesia is solid in liquid, so you can call that is soap. Next, whipped cream, ice creams. Those are comes under foam. Yeah, gas in liquid only, that is foam. Soap in water is missile. So correct one is 4.
B, sir.
B, okay. B is correct. 49. B, 48 is also B. Next question to Kushi. Kushi.
Purple of the sashes is.
Which material, which substance we are calling purple of gaseous is?
Sir, is it AU, sir?
Yeah, you correct. Gold, when it is in fine particle, when it is a small particle, it looks like a, I'm talking about colloidal solution. Colloidal solution of gold, it looks like a purple. So further size of colloidal particle increases, its color also changes. If it is very small particle, it looks like a red color. So further size increases, it looks purple. Then further increases, it looks blue color. Then finally it gives gold color. Size of particle is very big, then it looks gold color. So A is correct. Next, Sanjay.
Choose the intrinsic colloids among the following.
Yeah, intrinsic means lyophilic colloid, stable colloid. What is?
Sir, is it egg albumin, sir?
Very good. Yes, egg albumin. Egg naturally colloid and is a stable one. Egg albumin. Next, 51 is C. Who is NVIG? Hello? Hello. Hello? What's your name? Hello? Okay. Next question. Kushi?
Yes, sir.
Read next question.
Yes, sir. Surfactant molecule or ions clustered together as micelles. Sir, option C, sir.
Surfactant molecules or ions clustered together as micelles. So nothing but soap molecules, surfactant molecules or ions clustered together as a micelles. Okay. Option A is due to their hydrophilic tail tend to congregate. Due to their hydrophilic head provide protection, which are colloidal size cluster of molecules. None of the above. Yeah, option C, which are colloidal size clusters of molecules. Micelles are nothing but clusters of a molecule. C is correct. Next, 53. Ball.
Freshly prepared precipitate sometimes gets converted to colloidal solution by peptidization.
Yes, peptidization, correct. Next, 54. Tejaswini.
Which of the following reaction leads to the formation of colloidal solution?
Already I gave you 4 reactions. Chemical method, how to prepare colloid by chemical method. There, one of the reaction is there in that four reactions. Look at option B. Nitric acid and H2S, that is oxidation process. Option B is correct. That is preparation of sulfur soap. Next question. Sanjit.
The values of colligative properties of colloidal solution are of smaller order in comparison to those shown by two solutions.
No, not 57. 55.
55. Okay, sir. Peptidization involves disintegration of colloidal aggregates.
Disintegration of colloidal aggregates. Okay, correct. Disintegration of colloidal aggregates, correct. B. Next. Rachna.
The blood may be purified by a dialysis.
Correct. Dialysis. Blood is purified by. Option A is correct. Next question to Anjali.
A dialysis.
Yeah. Question number 57. Anjali.
The value of colligative property of colloidal solution are of small order in comparison to those shown by true solution of same concentration because of colloidal particles. Sir, option D.
Option D. Are comparatively less in number, correct. In colloidal particle, number of colloidal particles are small, less in number compared to true solutions. So option D is correct. Comparatively less in number. Next question to Anil.
The Brownian movement is due to enthalpy change during the formation of colloids. Attractive force between the collider particles and molecules of dispersion medium. The impact of molecules of dispersion medium on the colloidal particles. The movement of positively charged collider particles to negatively charged to.
Correct option is Brownian movement is because of Brownian movement is because of unbalanced bombardment between dispersion phase and dispersion medium. So there is interaction between phase and the medium. So option C, the impact of molecules of the dispersion medium on the colloidal particles, dispersion phase. So option C is correct. Chirag.
Sedimentation potential is the reverse of.
Sedimentation potential is the reverse. Sedimentation process is the reverse of.
Sir, electrophoresis.
Sedimentation. Okay, sedimentation potential is the reverse of electrophoresis. Sedimentation potential. That is only we are saying electroosmosis also. See, in electrophoresis, we are dipping to electrodes. Colloidal particles are suppose moving this side. Colloidal particles are moving this electrode, negative or whatever it is, negative or positive, moving this side. At the same time, the dispersion medium is there, no, that is moving this side. Moving this electrode, moving to opposite electrode. So that is calling electroosmosis. Electrophoresis means colloidal particles are moving towards oppositely charged electrode. Next, dispersion medium is moving opposite the direction of colloidal particle direction. So that is we are calling electroosmosis. So electroosmosis is nothing but sedimentation potential. So now sedimentation potential is the reverse of electrophoresis. So option B is correct. Next, Harsh.
Which of the following is incorrect for electrophoresis? First option is in electrophoresis, solution migrates either to anode or to the cathode, depending upon the positively or negatively charged solution. Second option, electrophoresis is useful method for finding the charge of the solution. Third option, electrophoresis with a high potential is helpful in destroying an emulsion. Last option, colloids are uncharged particles and do not migrate towards the electrode when electric field is applied.
Incorrect statement.
Sir, I guess last option.
Last option, correct. D1, because colloidal particle actually charged particle, but here given uncharged particle. Option D. Next, 61. Kushi.
So gelatin, which is
No. Question number 61.
Which of the following statement is correct for Tyndall effect? Scattering and polarizing of light by small suspended particles is called Tyndall effect. Tyndall effect of colloidal particle is due to dispersion of light. Tyndall effect is due to the refraction of light and zigzag motion of the suspended particles.
Which of the following statements?
There is it option B.
Tyndall effect of colloidal particle is due to dispersion of light.
Or option C, sir?
Option A, scattering of light, right?
Yeah.
Scattering of light by colloidal particle, that is called Tyndall effect, not dispersion of light. So A is correct. Next, 62. Patient.
Method by which lyophobic soil can be protected is. So option C, by addition of lyophilic.
Correct. By addition of lyophilic colloid, we can protect lyophobic colloids. Correct. Next question to Sanjay. Okay. Question number, I think you know this answer very easy. Ardishaw's law states that. Choose correct option. Ardishaw's law states that.
A.
A.
Sir, higher the charge of coagulation ions, greater is its coagulating power
Coagulating
having
power,
opposite
correct.
sign.
Very good. 63, option A. Next, 64, Tejaswini.
Which of the following is the most effective in the coagulation of gold salt?
Yeah, gold soil is a positive, negative soil, gold. Metal soils mostly gold soil, not metal hydroxide. Only gold soil, sulfur soil, this comes under negative soil. Which of the following is the most effective in the coagulation of gold soil? Choose now correct option. So there, which metal ion having highest charge?
Sir, option A.
What? Option A, how? Sodium having only plus one charge. Option B, magnesium have 2 plus. Option C, iron sodium Na plus only. Option D, iron K plus one. Which one having higher charge? Magnesium.
Magnesium.
Yeah, magnesium is the correct answer.
Sir, you said that mostly all the metal soils are negatively charged.
Yes.
Okay.
So that is negative charge. To neutralize that, we need positively charged species. Okay, next 65. Anirudh.
Colloidal gold is given by injection to act as
That is a disinfectant, anti-cancer agent, germ killer, tonic to raise the
so I don't know this.
vitality of human systems. So that actually muscular pain to reduce muscular pain giving gold soil. 65. D is correct. Tonic to raise the vitality of human systems. Okay, that's the application list. Next 66. Banu.
Which of the following process is responsible for the formation of delta phase when rivers meet the sea? Coagulation.
Coagulation, correct. Read 67 also.
Ferric chloride is applied to stop bleeding because
Ferric chloride is applied to stop bleeding because.
Sir, to coagulate blood, sir.
Yeah, to coagulate blood, correct. Which ion coagulates blood?
Don't know, sir, that one.
Okay, the blood is negative soil. Blood is negative soil.
Option B, sir.
Blood is negative soil. Okay, we are adding ferric chloride. So here Fe3 plus ion is involved. So option Fe3 plus ion coagulate negatively charged blood solution. So A is correct. Next 68. Actually,
The leather get hardened after tanning because of coagulation.
very good, coagulation. Next question to Kushi.
How does it become possible to cause artificial rain by spraying silver iodide on the clouds?
Yeah. So to cause artificial rains.
Due to coagulation.
Yeah. Where this is throwing either silver iodide or throwing electrified sand. So the process involved is coagulation only. So A is correct. Next question number 70, Tejaswini.
Gelatin, which is peptide, is added to ice creams. What can be its role?
Yes. What is the role of gelatin in ice cream? Think. Ice cream to make collide, we are going to use a third substance that we are calling emulsifying agent.
Emulsifying agents.
Yes, gelatin is emulsifying agent. Banu and Chirag. Banu?
Yes, sir.
Did you not complete the notebook of surface chemistry? Complete. Anything is left?
Sir, your voice is clear, sir.
Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Did you not complete the notebook of surface chemistry?
Sir, one class I was not there, sir.
Only one class.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Chemical kinetics?
Yes, sir. For complete error.
Complete error. Okay. And the Chirag?
Sir, I was not for two.
Hello?
Not there for two classes due to network issues.
Two classes. Surface chemistry or that? I'm talking about surface chemistry.
Sir, surface chemistry, I think so, one class. Sir.
One class. Okay. Okay. Chirag, you sent full surface chemistry notebook to my WhatsApp number, and Banu sent chemical kinetics notes.
Didn't get you.
Yeah. Hello?
Sir, can you say again?
Chemical kinetics notes I want.
Yes, sir.
Send a PDF format. Please take a clear pic. Please go that way, yes.
In the group, sir.
No, I will give my number. Note down my number. 990 123 7194.
Now, sir.
Today, by tomorrow morning. Possible to send today or by tomorrow morning.
Yes, sir.
You want the Chirag?
Yes, sir.
Send surface chemistry.
Sir.
Just tell me.
Sir, can you repeat your number?
990
Yes, sir.
123
Yes, sir.
7194.
Yes, sir.
Yes, thank you, Chirag. Don't forget, Banu. By tomorrow you send two chapters. Banu, chemical kinetics, Chirag, surface chemistry.
Okay.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.